Joining us now for an exclusive conversation is Mr. Suryaveer Singh Bullard, the president of Indian Pickleball Association. Sir, finally we have a league now. The Indian Pickleball League is the official pickleball league of this country at the moment. So, how proud of you? How proud are you feeling at this moment?
It's a tremendous feeling. It's something that we've been working towards for the past 1 year with the Times Group, and very, very excited to see it come alive now. Can't wait for the league to happen in Delhi on the 1st of December.
We have five teams. May I know which is your favorite team or favorite city per se?
Well, I like all the cities. I'm still waiting to see which players go in where because I have some personal favorites.
Okay.
So once I think the teams are made, formed out, probably decide who's my favorite team.
Okay, that will be based on the auction and that will be based on where your favorite players are going and landing in.
Absolutely.
So also, we've been consistently speaking about the rising popularity of pickleball in India. We've had that conversation a lot of times. But with the entry of this league, with the entry of Indian Pickleball League, how do you think this league will further propel the popularity and further propel the momentum?
Well, the biggest advantage of a league of this magnitude and that too with the backing of the Times Group is that the kind of reach and the media coverage and the viewership across the country is going to go up. And I think once this sport is into everybody's living rooms and every corner of the country, it's going to grow by leaps and bounds. A league of this sort always propels a sport and brings in a lot of investment, brings in a lot of awareness. So I think this is a great beginning for pickleball, and I think in the next few years, this league is going to propel pickleball to be the second largest sport after cricket.
So we are aiming to compete with IPL, the Indian Premier League.
Well, the intention is, of course, that, but of course, there's a long way to go. But I don't think there's any need to compete with cricket or with any other sport. I think pickleball has its own uh, loyalists and its own fans of pickleball, and I think that's what we should do, make it the best pickleball league in India.
Sir, in addition to the metro cities in recent years, especially post-COVID, there are a lot of pickleball courts that are mushrooming in the tier two cities as well. So there are private investments coming in. You said the private investors are very much interested to do it. So on part of the state governments and the central government, what do you think these governments should do to take this sport forward on their part? What can be done?
So, unfortunately, as of now, the IPA is not, getting any grants for the government. But I hope in the future the government grants and supports will come in, because for any sport, the infrastructure development, we need support from the state governments and the central government. So yeah, we are hoping that things change in the next 1 or 2 years.
Final question: what is your message to all the players who are going to be part of this mega league?
Well, this is a great opportunity for all of the players from India. This is the only league that is for Indian players. And grab this opportunity with both your hands and make a mark, play the sport in true sportsman spirit. Yes, that's it.
Thank you for your time, sir. So, grab the opportunity and make a mark. That is what Mr. Suryaveer Singh Bullard, the president of the Indian Pickleball Association, has to say to the players who are going to be part of this super league. So, right now, the jersey unveiling ceremony is currently unfolding in Chennai, in which Mr. Vinny Jain, the managing director of the Times Group, is also there. Of course, private investments are coming in into the sport, but of course, as Mr. Suryaveer rightly said, he is expecting the governments, be it the state governments or the central government, to also pitch in and to provide monetary support and other sorts of support so that this sport can be taken forward much further. Daniel Jaiprakash for Times Network from Chennai.